Once you've got access underneath the vehicle, you're going to need to undo the many different Torx fittings that are holding the sump shield in place. Once you've got them loose, twist them out with your fingers usually, so it's pretty cool. I forgot one. I let it get out there, don't worry about it. Once it's off, you'll get a view of the oil filter and the sump plug here. But for those of you who've got problems with oil pressure switches, that's actually located here, and it's a really good time to do this, particularly when you've just drained the oil.